Welcome to NCBA Money Mastery, where we break down banking products for you and show you how your money can work for you with the right financial partner. My name is Susan Ndungu. I take care of medium enterprises. Today in the studio, we have Stephen Gakuya, the Deputy Director in charge of business banking at NCBA, to help us focus on what matters most on your enterprises. Welcome, Stephen.
Thank you, Susan, and welcome too. I take care of business banking, which is commonly known as SME, and let's discuss business. Let's talk business.
Yeah, talking of business banking, what is business banking and what exactly does it entail?
Thank you, Susan, for that question. In my view, business banking entails the entrepreneurs who put together the factors of production to create wealth, to generate employment. And it has four parts or four pillars. These savings part of it. There's a lending or borrowing because capital is limited, and at times these SMEs need a financial partner to can be able to finance some of their programs. There's capacity building because as SMEs evolve, they need a bit of training, they need a bit of partnership. And finally, there's a bit of investment because as you create wealth, the SMEs need to diversify their income streams by investing in more income-generating projects or programs.
Okay, so at NCBA, what exactly do you offer to the SME clients?
We have defined our SME model by creating risk management teams where our customers are assigned to very well-trained, experienced relationship managers and branch managers who are able to offer them custom-made solutions and products. In terms of solutions, we have from the basic, the account, the current account and savings to enable them to transact, make payments. We have financing solutions in terms of working capital financing. Could it be stock loans in form of overdrafts? For those who are in contracts, we have invoice discounting. We have LCs or letters of credit for our SMEs who are in import-export business. We have solutions around mortgages for those who want to acquire their own residential or commercial buildings. So we have a whole range of financial services for our SMEs. And besides that, we've also invested heavily in our technology to give digital solution or payment solution for our customers. So that if today you want to make payments locally or across borders, you don't need to walk to any of our branches. You just do it from the comfort of your office, at very well negotiated and discounted rates, to avoid a lot of movement of paper and to reduce cost of operations for our SMEs.
In business, the solutions are not only financial, I believe. What are the other non-financial solutions that you offer to SMEs?
We have a couple of partnerships or programs that we take through our SMEs. We have a partnership running since 2016 with Strathmore Business School, where we take our customers through some training programs covering a diverse range of issues that affect and impact their businesses. We have very discounted rates, which we negotiated with Strathmore. And I'm proud that year to date, before COVID struck, we had graduated 155 of our customers who have been certified. Some of those customers, their businesses have evolved, they have grown. They have incorporated boards to professionalize the operations of the running of their businesses. Some of them have brought in their family members because some of them were individually managed. But because of those training programs, we have seen our SMEs now creating structures that it's my prayer that they will create businesses or enterprises that will outlive generations. The other thing, before COVID struck, I had a team of 34 customers who are going through a similar training at Strathmore. That has since been suspended because, as you're aware, for SMEs, it's more of a practical training. It cannot be done via technology, Zoom and such like. And it's my prayer that this pandemic ends so that my customer can go back to class. So besides the Strathmore partnership, the other thing we've done for our SMEs is our SMEs are spread across the country, and Strathmore is just in Nairobi. So we organize periodic summits across the regions with the industry experts, with the professionals to train our SMEs in the countryside. Last year we went to Mombasa, we met our customers in Kisii, we met our customers in Nanyuki, we had forums in Nakuru, so that we are able to reach all our SMEs wherever they are operating in.
Okay. That covers quite a bit of the non-financial services or solutions that you offer. How about marketing? Do you assist the importers? Do you assist the exporters on how to reach out on the market, which is one of the problems that SMEs seem to really have?
Thank you. We have two approaches to that. And during our regional SME summits, we use those forums as networking events where customers are able to pitch for their businesses. Before we start in the forum, the first thing we do is every customer introduces themselves, they exchange contacts, business cards. They are able to explain what they do, the products and services they offer. And so you find now we're able to create markets or buyers and sellers within those small geographical locations or those summits. Every year we have what we call the SME Family Business Day at Strathmore. And we use those 2 days, one, to showcase the products our customers are offering. We have exhibitions, we have booths for the 2 days, and that way we are able to create collaboration among our local enterprises, so that we can be able to do intra-trade from among our SMEs. And by the way, I've seen a lot of business being generated. Clubs, organizations, groups, chamas have actually started up with those forums, and I can tell you it's big business for our customers and also for future customers. In terms of creating markets, I'm a firm believer that we need to produce what we can consume and consume what we produce. And so we've organized business trips for our customers. We've taken them to China, we've taken them to Bangkok. Last year I had 86 customers. We went to Turkey. And the purpose of these trips is normally 2 ways. One, look at the technology and the manufacturing sectors within those markets. Because those markets have cottage industries where you find hair, the one that ladies use. You find a roll of 5 kilometers of hair is being manufactured in a small space, which is the size of where this office where we are seated. And so we are able to help our customers to borrow technology where they can now come and invest here locally, and that they are able to produce what we are able to consume. The other thing we've done is we've also helped them to seek markets. I can tell you there are customers who are exporting tea, there are customers who are exporting coffee, there are customers who are able to get markets for avocados during our visits to China. And this way, it helps our customers to have both a local and a global view in terms of how they can be able to source and sell their products.
Okay. Seems like a very good time to be an SME. Despite all the challenges, there seems to be some hope. Why should I, as an SME bank with you at NCBA?
Thank you, Susan. One of the things that NCBA is known for is technological advancement. We have been very, very innovative in terms of giving a digital solution for our customers. Today, if your customers come and pay you with checks. We don't need to walk to the bank to deposit those checks. We have developed solutions where the customer, the SME is able to just scan those checks from the comfort of their offices, and online the money is credited into their accounts. If we walk around, we have what you call the cash depository ATMs, which are 24-hour. So they no longer need to rush to the bank at 9 when you're opening or run at 4:30 when you're closing. So they're able to do their banking at their own time and within their areas of operation. And something else that we are bringing is money payment solutions. We have created platforms where if you have to pay payrolls, if you have to make RTGSs, both in country, out of country, just do it from the comfort of your home or from your offices. And most importantly, our very agile mobile app. If you are a trader in the Nairobi Stock Exchange, you don't need to go to your broker. You just buy and sell shares from the comfort of your office. So those are some of the technological improvements that we've done to make it easy and comfortable for our SMEs to self-operate.
Okay. Apart from the solutions that you've offered, you had mentioned about lending products, and most of the SMEs talk about security, the way they do not have enough security to cover, and when they come to the bank, you always ask for security. What are some of the interventions that you've given?
Thank you. We have a couple of interventions. Key among them is what we call the African Guarantee Fund security coverage. This is a program we got into back in 2015. If you go to any of our branches, we are looking for a big board. You've gotten a contract, you want a quick big board, either for government or private entities. Up to 3 million will be given by our branch manager. And we are able to give big boards which are not secured for up to 10 million Kenyan shillings. We have what we call the BD. This again is a digital solution for big boards for up to 5 million. You just apply on your mobile phone, and instantaneously you're able to get your big board, you print it and take it to the employer.
Okay.
And finally, we have a product for some of our grade A, grade 2 SMEs, where we give them a secured lending based on their borrowing history and their cash flows.
Okay.
Yeah.
What are the trends that you see happening right now, based on the fact that customers keep evolving every day, their businesses keep evolving based on the market trends that are there currently?
We have seen, of course, two trends, positive, negative. One of the things that, of course, has negatively impacted our SME is reduced cash flows. We have seen disruptions in terms of business operations. We have seen a bit of stress levels, kicking into our SMEs. But the good thing with our SMEs is they are ever resilient, because on the other side, we have seen SMEs who have quickly been able to innovate. We have seen customers who have now pushed their products into the digital space. We have seen home deliveries, office deliveries. Some of our SMEs who are in passenger transport vehicles, we have witnessed some of them have quickly converted their vehicles from being passenger to cargo vehicles. So those are some of the emerging trends we are seeing, and I believe we've not seen anything yet, because our SMEs are very innovative. Our SMEs, they don't operate with the book economy. They have their own way of operating, innovating, and getting back stronger. So we are confident that our SMEs will emerge out of this crisis better people, better businesses, more organized than possibly before the COVID.
Okay. Earlier on, Steve, you spoke about insurance. Talk about that, please.
If there's a time that Kenyans need to evaluate the need for an insurance, I think the time is now. Because I think studies show that it's not about 4%, 3 or 4% of Kenyans who have insurances. Nobody prepared for COVID-19. When it started, we thought it's an Asian issue. It spread to US, quickly Europe, now it is here with us. So I think it's very, very important for businesses to, start understanding the issue, the importance of insurance, be it medical, be it for your education for your children, be it for insuring your businesses. So I think this is a time that businesses need to take insurance so that they're able to be covered in case of emergencies like where we are currently.
Okay. You're truly a relationship bank at NCBA, and this I say because you've said there's training, there are lending products, and of course the normal banking products that you have truly tailor-made for your customers. And so from me, I would say that if you think of business banking, think of NCBA Bank. I've been your host, Susan Ndungu, and thank you, Stephen, for your wealth of knowledge. See you next time on The Money Mastery, where money makes sense. Thank you.